Hi, it's Zen the Crypto Queen, and I'm back with a few words on Bitcoin. I just wanted to go over this article, The 5 Reasons Bitcoin is Heading Higher, whether you like it or not. Number one is about inflation, which, you know what, we all know that's happening, so I'm not going to get into that one. It's all around us. So this one, with the spot Bitcoin ETFs, it's a pretty big milestone for mainstream acceptance, right? I mean, there are a lot of people who, when you mention crypto, all they ever say is, oh, I've heard of Bitcoin, but what about it? You know, I don't know what it is, and I don't know, where it's going or what the heck. There's no real thing backing it. Although there's no real thing like gold backing fiat currency here in the United States for a very long time now. So, again, I'll just say it's the grandfather of all crypto, and yeah, it's going places. And these ETFs are just bringing in big whales to buy it up. And you know what? I'm going to get into. All right, let's do it right now. Well, check it out. It's at 62. This is the last 7 days. In fact, all the crypto the last week has really. All I'm going to say is it's a great time to buy. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. Tron is up a little bit, but I've held that one for years. It's not enough to make me want to cash it in and buy something else. I made some money on that a while ago, so it's still holding my original amount of money. But let's take a look at Bitcoin for a second. The charts. Let's go 1 year. All right. See, and it's still climbing. So, is it going to stop anytime soon? No. Is it going to fluctuate a lot until there? Yeah, it is. Programmed for success. Yeah, it is. So, whether you like Bitcoin or not, or you understand it or not, whether you understand blockchain or not, it's here. And it's only going to go higher. And the halving just happened. What's the date today? 29th. I think it was just about 2 weeks ago. I would say that, watch the next 30 days, 45 days, okay? I like this one, actually, generational shift in investment preferences, because millennials and Gen Z investors, just like cell phones and being recorded and basically being chipped everywhere you go, your lack of privacy, they accept it because it's all they've ever known. So digital asset adoption, it doesn't surprise me at all. Unlike previous generations who may have been skeptical of digital currencies, young investors are more open to embracing this innovative financial technologies. Yeah, of course they are. It's all they know. For millennials and Gen Z who grew up in the digital age, Bitcoin's intangible nature and decentralized framework do hold great appeal. Holds great appeal to me. But I've been watching it since it happened in 2009. And interestingly enough, that's right after, just after and mid great financial crash, right? So, yeah, they've been planning this one for a long time. So, yeah, now that they're investing, I think it holds a lot more appeal. And so the diversity of what you do with your money, and I'll just say it because I say it all the time, make sure you're not putting more than 5 to 10% of your net worth in crypto. If you are risky natured, maybe 15 to 20%, but I wouldn't go any more than that. And by the way, here's all the housekeeping, okay? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. And I'm just going to say this because there was a commenter, it really it didn't tweak me. It just made me think, let me go and ask some advisors, some attorneys, and a few other people, because I'm looking for an attorney, actually. So it's part of the interview process, and I did find one. He's in the Midwest, but anyway, financial advisors don't know jack shit about crypto. They sell specific products that their companies, tout. That's it. And most attorneys really don't know how to set up anything for you except for maybe a family trust, a business trust, Most of them state that, it's all linked back to your social security number anyway, so it won't really behoove you. I'm looking forward to a return phone call from this crypto attorney that a friend turned me on to. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. So financial advice, yeah, it's not that, but don't look to your financial advisors for advice on crypto either, okay? And listen, if you want a one-on-one session about anything, again, I'm not a financial advisor. However, I can help you set up exchanges, help you buy XRP, Bitcoin, put it on a ledger. All my links are in the description box below. And all you have to do is hit me up via email at zendevin, that's ZENDEVIN @gmail.com. Please just put the one word crypto in uppercase letters in the subject box because I get a lot of email and I don't want to miss yours, okay? If you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you see all my videos. I think I have 165 of them now. And please leave a thumbs up so those algorithms help me grow my channel. I really appreciate that. And I appreciate all of you for being here with me always. And I already went over the 5 to 10% of the net worth. Let's see what else. Yeah, get your crypto on your ledger. Again, links are in the description box. And I've been posting over on TikTok as well. So if you're over on TikTok, come visit me there. Okay. All right, let's move on to the fifth one. Proven resilience and perseverance. Despite facing skepticism and criticism since its inception in 2009, Bitcoin has continued to defy expectations and prove its resilience. Yes, there's been a lot of crypto millionaires, and a lot of them have happened in Bitcoin. So with each passing day that Bitcoin maintains its network integrity and reliability, the odds of its failure diminish. As Bitcoin proves its viability as a decentralized store of value, medium of exchange, and hedge against inflation, confidence in its longevity, like I said, it's almost 15 years now, utility will grow, thereby attracting more investors and strengthening its position in the global financial ecosystem, which I think kind of harkens back to number 2. It's starting to have institutional adoption and the rise of Bitcoin ETFs. That is going to spread out. I can't say when, but I'm sure we'll see one for Ethereum. I'm sure we'll see one for XRP. Don't know when. What do I think Bitcoin will go up to? I'm going to throw it out there for you. I think, where are we at? We're in April. I think before year end, you'll see it at 100 grand. Yeah, I think that's totally doable. Are we going to have a lot of fluctuation to shake out retail investors? Oh, hell yeah. I think Bitcoin will probably drop down. I'm going to say not quite to 40, but I think there'll be a little bit of a shakeout and people will get scared and go, oh shit, I bought in at 50 or 55 thinking, it's going to run up right now. You know what? Just hold your horses. It's called unrealized gains and losses, and you're not taxed on any of that until, and speaking of taxes, we'll get into that in a minute. You have unrealized losses and gains. Okay, so until the day that you go to cash it out, you don't have to worry about a thing. Okay, and that's the other thing. You need a tax advisor that also has taken classes in how to evaluate, what to do with your crypto, your profits and losses in there, and how to help you avoid cap gain of, their short-term and long-term. They can help you with all that. So make sure you're contacting people who are in the know about these things. So that's your tax advisor, your financial advisor, and your attorneys, okay? And I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of them don't know anything about it. So watch that, okay? So yeah, so let's go back to the 5 reasons here. Based on number 2, number 3, definitely number 4, and for sure number 5, 2009 to 2024 is a pretty long time, and it's been around. Like I said, it's made plenty of millionaires, either through trading or just buying low and selling high, which is always the, what you want to be doing. So if you made that little FOMO, fear of missing out thing and bought in at 50 or 55 or even 60, don't worry about it. Just hold it. It's going places, okay? And I'm going to say 100 by the end of the year, and I'm being conservative. I really think it's going to go to 120 by the end of the year, by the end of 2024. And that's my thoughts on the topic. I'm going to wrap it right there. I have other things to say about other issues, but I'd rather bring it up on another video. So thank you so much for being with me today. Love you all. And if you have a question, put it in the comment section below. I'm happy to help you by just answering comments. But if you do need help, again, you can book a one-on-one session with me. I do it either via Zoom, or if you want to just do a phone call, we can do that as well. And that's it for today. Ciao for now.